Ask Tom on Home Show.
Booker from College Park, Georgia, has a question about inspection warnings.
Well, his home inspector found this loose, wavy Hardie plank on his house. And that's the inspector saying that it's Hardie plank, right? He says the builder is trying to say that it's all normal. Don't worry about it. They also found damaged roof shingles and a crooked flue. And why do you think, Tom, that this Hardie plank is wavy? And what do you think I should tell the builder to do about it?
Well, first off, it doesn't look like Hardie plank. I've never seen that style. So I know everybody uses the word Hardie plank for everything today. Is it a different type of fiber cement siding? Is it a different type? Maybe it's a press board. Maybe it's one of the new press wood sidings. I'm not sure what it is, but I've just never seen that pattern before unless it's something new or it's sold in Georgia, not in Texas. So double check that. And I can't do any more than just tell you I have my suspicions. Secondly, if you do take Hardie or any of the new sidings today because they're made thinner for cost and they're not put down on a solid sheathing and they're just laid from stud to stud and the studs are wavy, they're gonna mimic whatever studs they're put on. So if it's really bad and bothers you, and I don't think it would bother me that much because it's a lap siding and it's on the lower end, but if it does, they can nail some of the corners down and just do it neatly and precisely and nail it tight if you're having just that small area where the circle is. If it's the whole house and you hate it, I guess just don't buy it. But I really don't. I don't think it's Hardie, and I think it just needs a little TLC to give it a little bit better aesthetics. And I don't think it's a super big problem or a super problem by any means, from what I see on a picture.
Well, it seems like that's what inspectors do. They try to find something that justifies their fee. For looking the house over.
They do. Most inspectors will always want to find something. And it's not that they can't. I mean, I just bought a house and there was a bunch of things on there and some of them were more serious than others, but I actually liked the guy. He was this is just the way it is. This is broken. If you want to fix it or have them fix it, fine. Like a garbage disposal didn't work. Okay. I still bought the house and I changed the garbage disposal. The guy gave me $100 off. Okay, fine. It's going to happen with any house, but some inspectors can make it where it scares you. And all it's supposed to do is tell you this is what you're buying. Every house is going to have a flaw. There's no such thing as a perfect house. And if it doesn't meet your standards, don't get unglued about it. Just say, you know what, this house isn't for me. I'm sorry. And maybe for the next person, but I'm going to walk from the project. Nobody's forcing you to buy it. And so people shouldn't get so pressured sometimes.
Don't feel pressured. Just send us your question right there. Hit on the Ask Tom button at HomeShowRadio.com. Right there on the homepage. Fill out this form, and then we'll answer your question in a video right here on just like this one. And whether you're seeing this at HomeShowRadio.com, where we post them, or maybe you're finding this on our YouTube channel. And if you want to help us out, click on the thumbs up button. Actually, you want to really help yourself out, you can subscribe and click the little bell next to it, and you'll be advised when we post new ones because we post them all the time.